All right, guys. Gonna show you the BNR's AIS delete kit. This is a way better setup than what you get from GYTR because you're gonna be able to use a cable bracket holder to hold your cables on the head. We have everything kind of disassembled, built a new bike, got it apart here so we can try to show you guys. It's gonna come with 4 pieces. It's gonna come with the cable bracket. It's gonna come with the vacuum plug, a clamp, and a delete plug. So you're gonna go ahead and remove all the AIS stuff that bolts to the front of the cylinder head, the little hose and everything. You're gonna pull that all out. You're gonna unplug it out of this blue plug on the harness. When you're done with that, you're simply gonna slide this AIS delete plug into the harness here. That's gonna delete the AIS there. You're gonna take your vacuum plug, just slide it on here. I like to super glue them too. You don't have to though. And then you're just gonna get a pair of pliers here. See if I can do this by my hand. Probably not, it's probably too tight, but, and that's gonna go on there. Just slide that on there, and that's gonna clamp that down. And then you're gonna take your, disconnect your AS pipe here. You're gonna keep your gasket on, and then just bolt this cable bracket over top of this with the existing bolts that were already there. I'm not gonna attach this all. This head's getting ported. If you get your head ported from us, we will weld off your port. But that just goes on there and deletes that plug. And that's it, man. That's our AIS kit. Way nicer than just putting a plate on here and letting your wires flap around. You can pick those up on BNRmotorsports.com for $35.99. Thanks.